Hey, what's good? It's your girl, Rich Soul, and I am hungry like a mother cruncher, y'all. A mother cruncher. Whoo, Lord, y'all. Yesterday, I went to a cookout, a barbecue, and my homies, they had some drinks. So I ended up getting towed up over there. Then went on and bought me a pint. And I said, oh, you shouldn't have did that. So I had so much fun yesterday, last night, y'all. And then I got in late on Jash and Jarrell first live. I'm so mad about that. And then I went to see the replay. How y'all look at this. It's my first time eating this. I'm trying it. Let me see here. Yum, yum, yummy. God, that look good. Yeah, and I was trying to see the replay because I know I was turning up in there. I was turning up. I remember dancing. But then that was it. But I guess since they played music, I couldn't see the replays today to see what I did. But I had so much fun last night, y'all. Between Jazz and Jarrell versus First Live and my homie's birthday. I mean, not birthday, barbecue. Let's do this up, so. Yes. So today I'm still like feeling it. But it's all good. Move this back. Okay. Well, I'll give y'all the first bite. And Jazz and Jarrell, if I turned up too bad, please forgive me. Give y'all the first bite. Woo! I ain't showing some air. I even lost a nail yesterday. I don't know how my nail came out, but see, that's what I get for being messed up. Let me see something. I just got some ginger ale and some water. I need that ginger ale. Some fries for y'all. I dropped that one, but we all know who's gonna pick that up. I love chicken fries. So I hope y'all having a good day today. I just wanted to jump on real quick. Eat some checkers and chill out. This is really good. Every time I drop something, the Tories be looking. And like some good old ginger ale. This is real good. Have y'all tried this yet? It's been a minute since I even had Checkers. I haven't had Checkers in a long time. Well, when I had a loaded fries that I had to make on my own because it was just a little too thin for me. This is so good. This is really good. I don't ever finish my sandwiches from Checkers. But yeah, let me know if y'all tried this yet. It's really good. I love they fries. Any fries in the bed? I see one. Woo! I'm full. But I just want to check in with y'all. I'm probably gonna lay back down in a minute. Well, I need to sit up some since I just ate though. Good old ginger ale. Woo. Well, until next time, y'all. Peace and love.